My name's Andrea. I work part-time and live in South Australia. We downsized when our daughter got married 16 years ago, and it's just so nice now to have a garden that I can manage. We've had the lawn installed about 2 weeks ago now. I'm absolutely delighted with it. 3 times we tried to seed a lawn here, but because we've got mature fruit trees, it just wouldn't grow. I wasted a fortune on water and fertiliser. I'm just so pleased. We don't have to mow it. It looks gorgeous all the time. You know, they say, get a number of quotes, but when AOL came out and showed us the samples and we spoke with them, I was so impressed. I actually cancelled the other person that was going to come out because I was happy to go with it. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with it.